So here's a problem I really like because it really just relies on one concept that just gets repeated 3 separate times. So we'll read the problem. Boyd grows tomatoes and raspberries. He grew 140 pounds of tomatoes and 60 pounds of raspberries. So we know we have 140 pounds of tomatoes, 60 raspberries. This year the production declined by 20%. So that wording tells us we're looking at a percent change problem. And the raspberries declined by 50%. By what percentage did the total yield by weight of Boyden's garden decline? So what we have to do is work backwards from the last sentence because that's where they actually tell us what they want. So we want to know the weight of the new garden and how much less than the old garden. So the new garden we have to figure out. We need to get these percent changes down. The old garden was just 140 pounds of tomatoes plus the 60 pounds of raspberries. That's going to equal 200. So if we know we're going to end up using a percent change, we can start this off here by saying the 200 pounds decreased 1 minus x, because that's what we're looking for, to get us the amount of the new garden, which we don't know yet. So now we can figure out what the new garden is. The 140 pounds of tomatoes declined by 20%. So that's 140 times 1 minus 0.2, right? That's a 20% decline, and that's going to give us the new tomato. And the berries, the raspberries, is 60 pounds, declines by 50%, so 1 minus 0.5 equals new berries. So we do that in our calculator and realize that we're going to end up with 112 pounds of tomatoes and 30 pounds of berries, which is 142 pounds total. So that means the new weight of what's produced in this garden is 142. We can now finish solving our percent change formula. The old garden was 200 pounds. It decreased by X percent to give us the new garden, which is 142 pounds. You do that in your calculator, end up with A, 29%.